The orbital mechanics of Mars and Earth are such that a first human mission to Mars will likely stay a while. Tens of days, hundreds of days on the Martian surface. So you wouldn't want to go and be limited to the range you could walk in a suit. If you're going to be there for 400 days, you might want to look around. And of course we would. Of course we will. So we're going to bring machines with us that can drive us over great distances. These are going to be machines that we can live in, that we can explore out of, that will keep us safe, and will, most importantly, they will get us to our lander and our ascent module for the return home. We're going to be counting on these machines for our lives, and they're going to be capable and redundant, and we're likely going to take more than one, just in case one of us puts one in a ditch. We're going to make sure that we've got more than one to get us back to that ascent module. But we want to be able to get out of our comfort zone. We're going to land in a nice, safe, probably very flat area that I would wager to bet the scientists won't find too interesting. And maybe 100 kilometers away are some really interesting things that we've seen from orbit and with telescopes. We'd really like to go take a look, take some samples, get our scientists on the surface right there in those geological formations and learn about the planet. So those kinds of machines that can drive you hundreds of kilometers have really not ever been proven before. If you look at the lunar rover, it was an unpressurized rover that could only drive a few kilometers away from the ascent module. They didn't let it more than about 5 kilometers for the first couple tries, and eventually they let the astronauts drive up to 10 kilometers away. And that's good. It was the best we'd ever done. In fact, it was marvelous. But our ambitions for Mars are greater. We're going to be there for hundreds of days. So being able to drive hundreds of kilometers or even more seems like the right thing to do. So that Mars rover is going to have to be tested in advance. A fleet of them have to be trusted with our lives, and so where are we going to form that trust? Well, it might be on the lunar surface, where we could punch out quickly and get home in an emergency, and we'd take them through their paces. We also have a lot of terrain here on Earth that can serve as a good analog for the Martian surface. And we can drive these vehicles hard over rough terrain and really challenge them to learn on Earth what will fail first, re-engineer those elements, and extend the reliability of that machine so we are ready when we go to Mars to put our lives at risk with the technology.